Okay, the question here is, what is the molality of a solution that is 3.68% by mass calcium chloride? Okay, so we are dealing with molality. The formula for molality is the moles of solute over kilograms of solvent. So basically, what is your solute and what is your solvent in this problem? Well, they're only giving you one compound here, calcium chloride. So from here you can assume that this is going to be your solute, and the rest of whatever is left over is going to be your solvent. So let's first start by calculating the moles of solute, since we know what that is. We know it's calcium chloride. So if we take, so first, it tells us here that we have 3.68% by mass. So from this value you can assume that we have 3.68 grams of calcium chloride. And then we're going to multiply that by its molecular weight to get the mole value. And so first of all, what is calcium chloride? Calcium chloride is CaCl2. So then you will find the molecular weight of CaCl2, which is 110.9, and then you solve by multiplying these values, or essentially 3.68 divided by 110.9, you are going to get a value of 0.033 moles of CaCl2, or calcium chloride. So this value will then be plugged in here. So now we need to figure out the kilograms of solvent. So we've established off of the equation that there is 3.68 grams. So then how much solvent do we have? Well, if we're going to assume that we have 3.68 grams, we can assume then that the entire solution was 100 grams. So we can take 100 grams minus 3.68 grams to try to figure out how much solvent was in the entire solution. So when we minus these values, you're then going to get 96.32 grams of whatever solvent is in here. And then now we want to be able to plug it into our formula here. However, the value needs to be in kilograms. So now let's just do a simple conversion. We're going to put grams on the bottom so that your grams value cancels out. And then you want kilograms on top because you need kilograms. There are 1,000 grams in 1 kilogram. So when you multiply these values together, you will get 0.09632 kilograms, kilograms of your solvent. So now we have our values here that we can plug in to find molality. So if you set it up then, your moles of solute, which is CaCl2, calcium chloride, and then you divide that by the kilograms of your solvent, you will get 0.343 molality.